Today, the Rainbow River didn't just shimmer, it spoke. As we lifted off over this ancient spring, it was like the river reached up and took hold of our cameras, saying, "Remember me? Show them who I really am." A river this clear, this alive, doesn't just happen. Rainbow River begins at Rainbow Spring, one of Florida's largest first-magnitude springs, pushing more than 400 million gallons of crystal water every single day. This place has been flowing for over 10,000 years, long before towns, roads, or even the idea of Florida as we know it. The water here is so pure you can see 30 feet down, straight to the dancing eelgrass and the fish gliding like they're weightless. Every shimmer, every ripple, every shadow is a reminder. This isn't just a river, it's a living heartbeat. People come here from all over the world, and yet the magic is simple. It's the way the light bends beneath you, the way the river slows you down without asking, the way families float together and strangers suddenly become neighbors on inner tubes. There's a legend that the river grants a kind of peace. Not the kind you search for, but the kind that finds you. But even a river this strong can be fragile. This spring system depends on clean groundwater, healthy wetlands, and respectful visitors. The flow has changed over the years. The clarity has been threatened. And every decision we make, good or bad, moves the river's future. We protect it by staying on designated paths, keeping our riverside communities clean, and fighting for smart policies that protect our springs from overpumping and pollution. Saving Rainbow River isn't a job for scientists alone. It's a job for anyone who's ever felt peace here. So today, as our drone floated above this blue miracle, we weren't just filming, we were witnessing something sacred. And we make this promise to keep telling her story, to keep showing her beauty, to keep reminding the world that this river is more than water. It's memory, it's history, it's Florida, untouched and unfiltered. And if we protect it, she will keep flowing. Long after we're gone, the Rainbow River, where time slows, hearts settle, and the water teaches us how to care. Let's keep it clear, let's keep it wild, let's keep it forever.